Hi, I'm Mrs. Luther, and I'm going to show you how to use your ParentVUE and StudentVUE account when you log in. So on the home page, you'll see a picture of your child or children, and you'll have these tabs to choose from. The Messages tab I'm not going to show because it gives the child's name before each message, but we use this really regularly here at McCluskey in the 6th grade, and we will message you about upcoming dates, missed work, all kinds of things. That will also go to the email connected to your account. However, for confidentiality purposes, we did not put that on there. So if you go below, you'll go to the Calendar tab. So this kind of shows you assignments that are coming up, if they've been placed in the grade book, and the grades that your child is getting on the account. It'll also show you upcoming school breaks. And you can see right here you can pivot and change the month as well if you want to look back on something. After that, you can look at attendance, you can look at excused and unexcused absences. Remember, we need to keep up with these absences, so it's really essential that you bring in a note or email us if your child's going to be absent, because after several unexcused absences, we do get the social worker involved per county policy. After that, you can see your child's class schedule, and that's just an overview of where they are and what order their classes are. So our first period is from 9:20 to 10:25. Second period is from 10:25 to 11:30. Third period is from 11:35. We have a locker break in between second and third to 1:20. Lunch is in that class period. Fourth period is from 1:20 to 2:25, and then we send the kids off to connections at the end of the day. After that, you'll see a grade book. This is an overview of what their class averages are. So you can see it's quarter 2, tells you when the quarter is ending. If you click on a specific class, this is what you'll look like. So I clicked on Social Studies. You can see the types of assignments we have and how they're weighted, how many points your child's earned out of that category, and how each average breaks down, which this is really important because it can help you see if your child's struggling to complete homework or if they're struggling on quizzes or tests. All that data is right here in this top part. Then down here you can look at the individual assignment scores. Right here in the final column, that's a notes column. That is utilized by a lot of our teachers. We give comments on bonus points. If they failed and have an opportunity to make it up, we'll put it right in there. So please be checking that regularly, because we will only accept assignments until a certain date sometimes, and all that information is going to be right here in the grade book. So when you're on top of that, it really helps your child benefit from as many opportunities as possible to remediate, accelerate, and do whatever they need to do to succeed academically. Finally, last but not least, we're going to go to the report card. At McCluskey, we do not print report cards anymore. You're going to access these on the tabs, and you'll get an email from the school about when these are posted. So you can see what we consider an A, B, C, D, and F. And then you can get comments and conduct. S's are great, and then their overall averages. If you go back to the top, we do not do student, obviously that's confidential, so we're not going to show that. Athletic registration we do not do in middle school, so that will be a blank tab. And we also don't do course requests. So, other than that, this is a one-stop shop for everything you need to know about your child's overall progress in class, and you can get a lot of updates through the messages. Thank you.